Is it the right time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we will be taking a deep dive into Nvidia. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, December 26, 2023, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. You can tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of December 7, 2023, our system has identified Nvidia as a promising investment, giving it a score of 2.45. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a solid gain of 5.76%. In other words, it has delivered an average daily return of 0.44% since it was ranked as a buy candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a strong and steady upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further increase. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 13.22% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months. The potential return could range between 2.02% and 21.3%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a predicted 189.18% change in the stock's value over the next year. This corresponds to a potential return between 170.5% and 215.63%. In other words, the stock price could range from $1,333.01 to $1,555.39 after a year. Our latest update on Nvidia brings you exciting news: Green Day on Tuesday for Nvidia. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, December 26, 2023, the Nvidia stock price experienced a gain of 0.92%. It rose from $488.30 to $492.79. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated by 1.31%, ranging from a low of $489.60 to a high of $496. It's worth noting that the stock price has increased in 7 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a 5.69% rise over the past 2 weeks. The volume of shares traded decreased by 867,000 shares on the last day, with a total of 24 million shares bought and sold, accounting for approximately $11.95 billion. It's important to consider that a decrease in volume accompanied by higher prices can indicate a divergence and potentially signal changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $505.48, while the lowest price was $138.84. Currently, the stock price is 2.51% or $12.69 below its 52-week high of $505.48, which also happens to be the all-time high for this stock. Analyst Ratings. In recent news, on Monday, December 11, 2023, Cowen & Company gave Nvidia a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, November 22, 2023, BMO Capital also provided a positive outlook, giving Nvidia a buy grade with a hold action. Furthermore, BMO Capital rated Nvidia as outperform with a hold action. Wells Fargo, on November 22, 2023, expressed confidence in Nvidia by giving it an overweight grade with a hold action. KeyBank also had a positive assessment, rating Nvidia as outperform with a hold action. Analysts have given Nvidia stock a strong buy rating, indicating a favorable outlook for potential investors. They have also rated the PE ratio and price to book of the stock as strong buy, further emphasizing its potential value. However, the analysts have given a neutral rating for the stock's return on investment, suggesting a cautious approach in this aspect. Today, we'll be discussing the signals identified for Nvidia stock. The Nvidia stock is showing positive signs as both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal. Additionally, the relationship between these two signals is favorable, with the short-term average above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, there is support expected at $491.12 and $480.08. However, if the stock falls below these levels, it may issue sell signals. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. Despite prices rising, the volume has decreased during the last trading day, which creates a divergence between volume and price. This could potentially serve as an early warning, making it crucial to closely monitor the stock. It's important to note that there have been some negative signals as well, which could impact the stock's short-term development. On Monday, November 20, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a minus 2.24% decline. It is expected that the stock will continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence gave a buy signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal 25 days ago. Bollinger Bands showed a buy signal 31 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average also gave a sell signal 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 35 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average provided a buy signal 10 days ago. The long-term moving average also gave a buy signal 37 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 27 days ago. If you want to find more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. Nvidia currently has a support level at $487.16, which means that there is a strong possibility of the stock price bouncing back up when it reaches this level. This could be a good opportunity to buy. In terms of risk, Nvidia has average movements during the day, making the risk level considered medium. So, it's not too risky, but there is still some volatility to be aware of. Looking at the stock's recent performance, it has had a daily average volatility of 2.04% over the past week. This means that the stock price can fluctuate by around 2.04% on a daily basis. Let's start by exploring some important fundamental data before discussing potential good trading levels for Nvidia. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio may indicate an overvalued stock or suggest that investors anticipate substantial growth in the future. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 28, 2024. It's an event to keep an eye on. Analysts' consensus estimates for earnings stand at $3.76. These figures have significant potential to impact stock prices. Today, I want to discuss the potential day trading levels for Nvidia. If we see an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nvidia is at $496.04. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Nvidia encounters its first support level at $487.16. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the potential for a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Nvidia has received a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On December 18, 2023, Sjoquist Deborah sold 20,000 shares of common stock. On December 15, 2023, Hudson Dawn E. sold 1,000 shares of common stock. On December 18, 2023, Stevens Mark A. sold 255,500 shares of common stock. On December 18, 2023, Stevens Mark A. bought 255,500 shares of common stock. On December 15, 2023, Stevens Marque sold 6,872 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be -30.509, indicating a negative trend. In the last 100 trades, insiders have purchased 450,407 shares and sold 846,823 shares overall. Based on our analysis, we recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $475.94, which represents a decrease of 3.42%. This particular stock tends to have moderate daily movements, resulting in a medium level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 24 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several short-term signals indicating a positive trend for Nvidia stock. This suggests that there may be a buying opportunity at the current level. When we examine the volatility and movements of the stock in the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to Wednesday, December 27th, we anticipate that Nvidia will open up with a small increase of $0.0067 and begin trading at $492.80. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is crucial to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please be aware that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Leave a comment below and share your opinion. What target do you have in mind for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated. Wishing you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.